Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. And in today's video, I will explain you how to link your Instagram account to your Facebook page. Well, it's quite simple. First of all, you should have the both application, your Instagram and your Facebook. You can link Facebook to Instagram or Instagram to Facebook. You can do both with anyone. So I am taking it with Instagram. So you have to open your Instagram application. Now your second step is to visit your profile. Third step, click up right corner. Now here you have to click on the account center. From here you have to visit the last option accounts. You have to click on it. Here there is the another option of add account. You just have to click on it. Here two options are available. First is add Facebook account. Second is add Instagram account. So you have to click on the add Facebook account. And you can see the account which is in your Facebook that appear here. So you have to click on the continue button. From here, you have to select any date of birth. Like I have different, but I think you maybe have one in both of them. So you have to click on contour. You can here see there are some information like we will provide you with controls over connected experience. There are some guidelines. You just have to read them. We'll improve our products and provide option like to read that span across. Like you will share one thing and that both will go on the Facebook as well as on Instagram. You have to click on the yes, finish adding. So now here you can see that your Facebook account is attached to your Instagram profile. For making any post or for sending any deal, you just have to open some of the settings. So here you can see here it's the option of sharing. In some phone there is the option of cross posting. So you can see which option is available. Like here sharing option is available. You have to click on it. Now when you will scroll down, you will see that share story on Facebook on. Allow all the posts. Like I'm on Reels on Facebook, you have to all everything so that whatever you post here, that will go there. Okay? Hope you liked the video. Thank